As an AI language model, ChatGPT does not have the ability to make money on its own. However, there are ways in which you could potentially make money by utilizing ChatGPT's capabilities. Offering chatbot development services. You could use ChatGPT's technology to develop custom chatbots for businesses or individuals. You could charge a fee for your services. Creating content. ChatGPT could be used to generate content for websites, social media, or other platforms. You could charge a fee for this service. Providing customer service. ChatGPT could be used as a customer service representative to help answer common questions and provide support. You could charge a fee for this service. Creating language models for businesses. ChatGPT's technology could be used to create custom language models for businesses that need specialized language processing capabilities. You could charge a fee for this service. Developing AI-powered products. ChatGPT's technology could be used to develop AI-powered products such as virtual assistants or language translation tools. You could sell these products to businesses or individuals.